Welcome to English Grammar class. Today we are going to discuss adjective and its kinds. Children, do you know what is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun. What is noun? Noun is a naming word. It names a person, place, animal, thing, or our ideas, feelings. All these are nouns. So, an adjective is a word that describes a noun and it adds meaning to a noun or a pronoun. Look at the examples. Nirmala is a beautiful dancer. Here, beautiful is the adjective which describes the noun Nirmala. Next, Kumar is a clever boy. Here, clever is adjective which describes the noun Kumar. So, adjective is a word that describes a noun. We can say some other examples. Brilliant boy, cute girl, red color box. Box is the noun and red is adjective. White puppy, tall building, etc. etc. So, adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. There are different kinds of adjectives. Which are they? Let's see, children. First one, adjectives of quality. These adjectives describe the nature of a noun. These adjectives describe the nature of a noun and they inform about the nature of the noun by answering the question, what kind? Adjectives of quality always answer for the question, what kind? And what is meant by adjectives of quality? These adjectives describe the nature of a noun. Let's go through the example. Udaipur is a large city with many heritage monuments. Udaipur is a large city. Here large is adjective which describes Udaipur and it is the quality. What kind of city? It's a large city. So here large answer for the question, what kind? Look at another example. Sohini is a beautiful girl. Here beautiful answer for the question, what kind? What kind of girl she is? She is a beautiful girl. It's clear, children. So adjectives of quality describes the nature of a noun. Second type of adjective is adjectives of quantity. These adjectives show the approximate amount of the noun or pronoun in relative or whole terms. These adjectives show the approximate amount of the noun or pronoun. Amount of the noun or pronoun, that's why quantity. Look at the examples. They have finished most of the rice. Here, most shows quantity. Okay, they have finished most of the rice. Many people came to visit the fair. Here, many shows quantity. So, adjectives of quantity show the approximate amount of the noun or pronoun. Third kind, adjectives of number. These adjectives show the number of nouns or their rank in an order. These adjectives show the number of nouns or their rank in an order. There are three categories within adjectives of number. How many categories? Three categories within adjectives of number. First one, definite numeral adjective. What is definite numeral adjective? These are adjectives that clearly denote the exact number or order of the noun. In adjectives of number, there are three categories. Category 1, definite numeral adjective. That means this category, that is definite numeral adjectives, are adjectives that clearly denote the exact number or order of the noun. Exact number or order of the noun. Examples 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 23, 33 are called cardinals, exact number. Then first, third, second, tenth, etc. are called ordinals. That is order. So, definite numeral adjective means these are adjectives that clearly denote the exact number or order of the noun. Second one, indefinite numeral adjective. These are adjectives that do not give the exact number but a general idea about the number of the noun, such as some, many, few, any, several, all, etc. Definite numeral adjective gives exact number of noun, but indefinite numeral adjective do not give or does not give the exact number. It gives a general idea about the number of noun, such as some, many, few, any, several, all, etc. Look at the example. There were many people present at the meeting. Here, many gives a general idea about the number of noun. Third one, distributive numeral adjective. These are adjectives that refer to individual nouns within the whole group. Individual nouns within the whole group, such as either, neither, each, another, other, etc. So, distributive numeral adjective means these are adjectives that refer to individual nouns within the whole group. Look at the example. Taxes have to be paid by every employed citizen. Here, it refers individual nouns within the whole group. That is distributive numeral adjective. So, children, third kind of adjective is adjectives of number. These adjectives show the number of nouns or their rank in an order. And there are three categories within this adjective. Definite numeral adjective, that means it gives the exact number of noun. And indefinite numeral adjective, it does not give exact number but a general idea about the noun. And third one, distributive numeral adjective. These are adjectives that refer to individual nouns within the whole group. Fourth kind of adjective, demonstrative adjectives. These adjectives indicate a particular noun or a pronoun. What is demonstrative adjective? These adjectives indicate a particular noun or a pronoun. Examples: that bag belongs to Neil. Try using this paintbrush in art class. I really like those shoes. These flowers are lovely. So, which are the demonstrative adjectives? This, that, these, those. And the last kind of adjective, that is fifth one, interrogative adjectives. These adjectives are used to ask questions about nouns or pronouns. These adjectives are used to ask questions about nouns or pronouns. Examples: what did he say he was going? What assignment did I miss out on? Whose pen is this? So, interrogative adjectives are used to ask questions about nouns or pronouns. See, children, in some cases, we need to use more than one adjective to describe a noun to make it more understandable. One example: a cute little girl. Here, girl is the noun and the two adjectives are used here, that is cute and little. In that particular case, commas are used to differentiate the adjectives. So, children, once again, an adjective is a word that describes a noun and it adds meaning to a noun or a pronoun. And we had studied 5 kinds of adjectives, that is adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjectives, and interrogative adjectives. Next topic, degrees of comparison. See, children, when we compare two or more nouns, we use the comparative and superlative forms of adjectives to show the comparison between the nouns. When we compare two or more nouns, we use comparative and superlative forms of adjectives to show the comparison between the nouns. Look at the example. Apple is sweet. Lychee is sweeter, but mango is the sweetest of all fruits. In the given sentence, we are comparing three fruits using the positive, comparative, and superlative forms of the word sweet. So, which are the degrees of comparison, children? Positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. So, let's know about that. First one, positive form. It is the basic form of the adjective. Positive degree is the basic form of the adjective that simply describes the noun. There is no comparison with any other. Okay. Positive form is the basic form of adjective that simply describes noun without any comparison. Look at the examples. She has big eyes. Here, big is the positive form of adjective. There is no other comparison. It is sweet to taste. Here, sweet is the adjective and it is the positive form. The house is clean and it is the basic form of the adjective. It is the positive form. Clean is the positive form. There is no other comparison. So, positive form means or positive degree means it is the basic form of adjective that simply describes the noun without comparing it to another. Second degree, comparative form. Comparative form of adjective is used when there is a need to compare two nouns and demonstrate which of them possess the character referred to by the adjective in a higher or lesser amount. In simple words, we can say comparative form of adjective is used to compare between two things. Comparative form of adjective is used to compare between two things. Look at the examples. I have a big house, but hers is bigger. Here, the adjective is big and it is used to compare two nouns. Big house, bigger house. Next one, lychee is sweeter than other fruits. Then the house is cleaner than before. So, comparative form of adjective is used when there is a need to compare two nouns. There is a need to compare two nouns, that is comparative form. Third form of degree is superlative form. This form is used when more than three nouns are being compared. See children, superlative form is used when more than three nouns are being compared and we need to show that one or more of the nouns possesses the adjective or characteristics to the maximum amount possible. We add the before the superlative form. It is very important children. We should add the before the superlative form. We should add article the before the superlative form. And superlative form is used when more than three nouns are being compared. Positive form means it is the basic form. There is no comparison. Comparative form means comparing two nouns. Superlative form is used when more than three nouns are being compared. Look at the examples. She has the biggest house in the colony. Mango is the sweetest fruit of all. Here, more than three nouns are being compared in whole. Compared with a whole. The kitchen is the cleanest place in the house. And see children, making comparatives and superlatives. There are some rules that are followed while making the comparatives and superlative forms of the adjectives. Different adjectives form their comparatives and superlatives in different ways. Moreover, there are some irregular adjectives that form completely different comparative and superlative forms. That means different adjectives form their comparatives and superlatives in different ways. And there are some irregular adjectives that form completely different comparative and superlative forms. Let's go through the table given here, children. Positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. See, able, abler, ablest. Here, next one, active, more active, most active. Here the adjectives are formed entirely different way, right? First one able, abler, ablest. Second one, see children, active, more active, most active. Then busy, busier, busiest. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Fit, fitter, fittest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Here, some of the adjectives form their comparatives and superlative degrees in different ways. Okay, children, let's wind up today's class. I hope you all could understand everything. Thank you.